Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Trina's Motivation. So today we have a good one. I'm going to show you how to make this sumptuous chicken Alfredo pasta. That's creamy pasta. Listen, we're going to use our chicken breast. I use chicken breast because that's my preference. Then I do it in bite-sized pieces and I go in and I season with my all-purpose seasoning, and I also use a bit of garlic. Now guys, you can use whatever seasoning you like. You can use whatever part of the chicken you prefer, but that's my preference. So once I go in and I season, I put it to set for maybe about half an hour or 15 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and you're going to be cooking your pasta. And then while your pasta is cooking, you're also cooking your chicken. Now, because it's chicken breast, it won't take long. I'm just stirring over so that it gets a little brown color. I also added a little sausage, to spice up things. And then to make my sauce, my Alfredo sauce, I'm using my chicken broth and I use the chicken noodle. I take away the noodles from it, then I add a little warm water, and I'm using the one with the pumpkin. Let me tell you something, it gives it a nice flavor. So now we're going to be making our Alfredo sauce. So go ahead, saute your onions and garlics. Here you can also put your bell pepper as well, but for my meal today, I'm not using any bell pepper, just my onions and garlic. Then I'm going in with my heavy cream. So this is my heavy cream, and I'm also ensuring that my sauce is well seasoned. So I add a little seasoning for taste. So whatever seasoning you have, just put for taste. And then I go right in with my cheese. So today I'm actually using two types of cheese. I'm using four cheese, and I'm also using my mozzarella cheese. Let me tell you something, guys, this is to die for. So once it becomes a little thick, then I go in with my chicken and my sausage and I mix away. I mix it away, and then I'm going to be going in with my pasta. Quick and easy. And once your pasta going in with your pasta, you want to mix everything together. Can you imagine if I had all the bell peppers, the green and the yellow and the red, the multicolored it will have? But don't worry, you notice mine had some color at the end. Look at that, guys. Once you're through, you're then gonna top it off with some cheese on top. Guys, I'm sure you want to try this recipe. So if you don't have any time to cook it in a hurry, you just want something different, pretty simple. Pretty simple. So go right ahead, guys, and try this out. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you something. I'm going to dive into this sumptuous meal. It look good, not true? Just go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Go right ahead. I'm sharing some now and I'm going to dive. Let me tell you, guys, I enjoy this meal immensely. Let me tell you something. Try it and then you come back and tell me what you think about it. But guys, if you enjoy this video, go right ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave in the comment section if you have ever tried it before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that bell so when I upload a video, you will be notified. Don't forget to turn on the bell. Guys, I'm enjoying this one. It's really a good one. So if you enjoy it, go ahead. You know what to do. Go ahead, leave me a comment, and in the description box, you tell me what you do when you're making your own chicken pie.